Hi, welcome to New Spear. Today we're going to make a water xylophone. So for the materials, I have a metal butter knife. You could also use a spoon or a fork, any other metal utensil that you have. I also have a chopstick, so a wooden chopstick. You could use a wooden spoon. So I have two different materials here. I'm also going to use my chopstick to stir. And then I have 5 glass jars that are all the same size. So you could use a different size jar, like a larger mason jar, but you want them all to be the same size, and you could use 4 to 6 or 7. I've got 5. And each jar has water in it. So each jar has a different amount of water in it. So this one's super full, this one's a little less full, this one's about half, this one's about a quarter full, and this one is almost empty, just a little bit of water. So all my jars are the same size with a different amount of water, and they need to be glass. And then I have some food coloring. I have red, yellow, and blue. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna fill up your jars with water. Like I said, so each one has a different amount. And I like to have it be like a little bit drastic, the different amounts. So like this one, like I said, is almost empty. This one's about 1/4 full. This one's half full. This one's almost full. And this one's full almost to the very tippy top. So you wanna get water in each of your jars a different amount. So that would be step 1. Step 2, and this is optional, but I'm gonna add color to mine. So each jar is a different color. So it's a rainbow xylophone. And you could just leave yours clear if you don't have food coloring. That won't affect the outcome. But I just think it looks neat. So let's see, I'll do this one red. And so I'm also gonna use this as an opportunity to do some primary color mixing. So this could be a fun way to teach your kids about mixing primary colors to make secondary colors. So let me mix. I got my red, my yellow, and my blue. And then I'm gonna make this one between the red and the yellow orange. So I'll do a drop of red and 2 drops of yellow. Let's see if that gives us a good orange. Then I'm gonna do this one, green, mix of yellow and blue. And if you had another jar, you could do purple. All right, that is great. So I have red, orange, yellow, green, blue. And now, so we have our water xylophone. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take my chopstick and I'm gonna play each jar, and each one should make a different sound because it has a different amount of water in it. So you can play the top or the side. So it's really neat. Each one has like a different note that it plays because it has a different amount of water in it. So it plays similar to a real xylophone. And then if you use a metal butter knife, so it's a different material, it'll sound different than the wood. Just gotta be careful with it since it's metal. This is one of my favorite activities to do, especially on a rainy day. It's super fun. So I have a question for you guys. Which jar do you think makes the quietest or the lightest sound? And which one do you think makes the deepest sound? So do you think the more water in the jar, the lighter the sound? Or the less water in the jar, the lighter the sound?